Hi, good morning everybody. I'm trying to do this room as I plan this here to do more rooms that I didn't do before. This one is attacking ICS plant number 1. It uses modbus protocol. This is about ICS plants. It must industrial some time of hacking. First time I do this type of rooms. Uh, this is the SCADA system type of. Okay, this is the supervisory computer, program and logic control, PLC, communication network, human machine interface. Is all about industrial stuff. So let's start this room. And then this is what we'll use, this protocol called modbus. It is a library of Python of it. This is that function code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16. Write multiple holding register, write coil, read wherever. So it's a 16 something. And then they ask us to start installing some. Let's follow. I'm using Kali because when I use the attack box I have problem in Python libraries, so I switched to Kali for this one. So let's start the requirement. Then he said which is the function used to read holding registry in pip modbus library. Now I've done on the file register. What's the file he said? Let's do the discovery register. Okay, the question is what function used to read the holding registry? To read, we read in here, so read through. So that's the function, that's the library. And then which is the function used to write holding registry in PMDOS library? So open any attack file. Let's open this one. Which is the function used to write holding registry? Holding registry. It should be this one. It hold the registry if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, that one. Okay, cool. Let's do this quickly so so we can see clearly here. Um, let's wait for it. Now we need to go to the attack machine. 10.10.192.34. Let's put this here. Let's put this here. http dot 10.10.190. Sorry, dot 234. Let's see. Okay, we have now some kind of bottles. They're running around. Now we have these things. Press escape to things and then control alt delete something to kill or something. So we can see this bottle moving around. Okay, cool. Escape button to start the plant from again. How many phases can we observe? How many phases? Initialization, the plant is starting from the beginning. The roller moves to the first bottle and then the nozzle. And then there is filing, then there is moving. And the plant start again. So basically it says move, initialize, fill, move. So it's a 3-phase system. Now, how many sensors can we observe? There is sensor used to read the state of the plant, and actuator used to alter the state of the plant. How many sensors can we observe? So if I assume the bottle one, the second one, the third one, the red one, so one for the level of the water, from the moving, and then the top. Let me guess it's 3. No, it's not 3. So how many from 3-phase discovery we have observed sensor used to read state of the plant, used to alter the state of the plant. So if this is 1, sensor 1, 2, sensor used to read the state of the plant. So the moving, so we don't count this one, so what, we put 2 here. Okay, so it's the water and the moving. Using this, how many actuators can we observe? Include the button to start or stop the plant. Actuator used to alter the state of the plant. So include the button to start and stop the plant. The button is this one. How many actuators can we observe? So include the button to start or stop the plant, and then you said escape button to start and perform. See what, it's 1. That's the state of the plant. No. Huh. Actuator used to alter the state of the plant. The escape button to start the plant from the beginning. And then what's this button here? Send, control, alt, delete. So I assume this one it's 2, and then the escape is number 2. Otherwise we screwed there. No, it's not 2 again. How many actuators can we observe? Include the button to start or to stop the plant. To be honest, it's very example. A sensor can detect if the bottle ended the nozzle, why they can open or close. Oh, so the 2 is this moving and moving. So the actuator also can open and close the nozzle. So if you count, what, open the bottle 1, send the signal, so, and then escape, so it's 3. It's to be confused, but confused. Actuator can open and close the nozzle, so this one open and close the nozzle 1, send the signal, and then escape button, so 3. I'm not sure, to be honest, it's a bit confusing. Using the skip discovery P, how many register can we count? Okay, where is that register things? There is a register. Which script? Discover.php. Let me use this discover. Let me copy it. Let me go that side. In this cover.py. Python discover, give him the IP that we have our system 190.234. Okay, the question is, using this, how many registers can we count? Okay, you can see them 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So this matrix has 16 column, so it's 16 register. Then after the plant is started and the bottle is loaded, how many register are continuously changing their values? So let's start. After the plant is started, the bottle, how many register are constantly changing their value, and the bottle is loaded. Okay, let's escape this. Let's restart this. Let's follow. He said the bottle is loaded. Let's wait for the load and see which one is changing here. It's coming now. Okay, which one is changing? This one and this one. These two are changing. let's make sure we understand. This I start and this one start changing, and then this one change too. Damn it, let me return it, I'm just confused now. Let's wait when the bottle, now you can see they all 001000. Let's wait for the bottle to come in. Now let's see what happened. Okay, let's put it there. This one stays 0, this one change, this one change, and this one change. So it's a 3 that changing when the bottle isn't there. So I assume it's a 3. Don't tell me I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Okay, how many registers are continuously changing their value after the plant is started and the bottle is loaded? Otherwise, he's talking. Otherwise, I'm mistaken here. So this is 000 become 111. The 111 becomes 00. No, this one is not changing. You see, guys, I did a mistake. This 00 stay the same. So this one change, and this one change. How much I put there inside? 3 he said is wrong. Huh. We can't play a guessing game here if we don't get it, so it starts 0111. Let me restart it again. Let's see what's going on in this script. We don't want to play a game. So we know this one. This is 1. Oh, they said when the bottle is loaded. So it means it doesn't talk how many put in water. When this thing start, the only value that changing is this one and the last one. So then 2. I think we understand. Again, it's a problem. After the plant is started and the bottle are loaded, how many registers are continuously changing their values? Which one are changing? This one is not changing, this one is not changing. The only one that you can see that changing is this one, and this one after the water is now it's changing when the water is fed. So it's a 0, 1, 0 and 1. So it's a 4. That's what I said the first time. There are 4 when the water is there, but 4 is rejected there. Why is rejected? My goodness, now we're going backward. Let me restart these things. I did 4 in the beginning. Why it you see now when you start it start now 001. Then the time the water come in, they charge like 1, 0, 1 and 0 because this was 1. So this column, this column, this column, this column are changing. This one, the first 4. Yes, you need to look to the picture. Which is the minimum save value? Of course, the minimum is we have 0, 1, 0, 1. So it's minus 0. The maximum value is 1. Then which register is holding its value? Starting counting from 1. Of course, you can see wherever it happened here is the last one. The last one is not changing. It's always 111. That's number 16. As we know, there is 16 of them. So it's a 16 is holding its value. Then which register are set to 1 while the nozzle is filling the bottle? Which registers are here? So now let's follow now when the bottle starts. Let's move in. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, it's not moving. We should restart. Let's restart so we can understand carefully what's happening. Okay, let's see which one doesn't change. You see this one, I hold in the value. You see 1 1 1. The hell. Let's wait for another one. They switch to 0, but let me show. When they start 0 0, this one switch, this one switch. No, okay, that's fine. Let's wait for it. Let's restart it here. Let's go there. So the default is 0 0 1. Let's see what happens when the water come in. So if I understand it correctly, it come that, and then when it's arrived, there's a switch in this and this. You see now 0 0 0. Then when start the bottle, they hold in value 1 1 1. Then they switch again. So this column change when the water come in. So the column 2 and column 4. If I understand it correctly, this would be 2 4. Otherwise, yeah, that's 2 4. So it comes 0 0. Then after they change, after the water become this one and this one change. Now which register are set to 1 while the roller is moving the bottle? Ruler is moving the bottle. So let's do this. Let's restart it. Let's do this. Oops, what the hell? The ruler is moving the bottle. You can see this one is 1. So the third one is 1. Then they change. It becomes 0 1. And then when it's move again, you see this one holding the value, the first one and the third one, if I'm mistaken. So it's 1 and 3. Okay, I was correct. Yes. So this one and this one, when it's moving, they always 1 and 1, and then they switch on the water. Then which is the color of the water level sensor? If I assume color water sensor, so it's this little point red here. And then which color of the bottle sensor? The bottle sensor when it comes here is the bottom one, which is the green one. Then if you observe the plant at the very beginning, which is the register associated with the roller? Restart the plant and observe it from the very beginning. Now, okay, let's put this. Which is the question he said? If you observe the plant at the very beginning, which is the register associated with the roller? The best way to start again, because it seems so they all 0 0 0, and then the roller start. So I assume is this one that it kick in. It's one of them, is because this become 1 and that's the last one. So yeah, either is a 3. The 3 was the one responsible for the roller. Well, the connection to the Tryhackme server is off or what? Based on the previous answer, which is the register associated with the water level sensor? Water level. Okay, that's 3 because we know it changed. Water level. So I assume water level is red. So based on the previous answer, which is the register associated with the water level? I assume the ruler is moving only when the bottle is filled. So now we need to check what it change when it move. Now it's the water in, so this is 1 1. Which one will change after the moving? Yes, when it move, we need to find the number exactly when it move. It's a froze or something, I don't know. Let's restart. No, it start now. So let's see what happened. Based on the previous answer, which is the register associated with the water level sensor? And then the roller is moving only when the bottle is filled. So we know here the bottle is filling water. I don't want to guess, I want to understand the logic here. Now it's filled, well, let's wait for it to move. I don't think it will move. This system is like it's freezing or something. You need to restart it every time. One. Then the water it start again. Okay, it starts, so 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. The sensor should change. I give it the first one. It looked to me as like it's the one is changing here. Now it's 0 0 1. So let me guess here. Let me guess in one. I'm guessing this one. What is it wrong? I know this today with Tryhackme box is not. So there's no other one they changing. Yeah, this one it changed when you fill up the. Oh, it's two. I'm just get confused with this number. Either one or two. One of them is. I don't think two. Two is how many sensor can you observe? Oh, it's correct. Yeah, you can see the first one is changing when start moving. It's a bit strange room. It's not like 100% guessing, but there is guessing on this room. Okay. On the previous task, we learned a lot of registry. The bottle we got 16, where we have the numbers, and then we have this, and then red. So, what is the register associated with the nozzle? Again. Set registry 2 to value 1. Do the same with registry 4. So using the script set registry, okay. Where is that set registry script? Set registry script. Let's take that script. Let's kill this one. Set registry.py. Okay. Let's give that. That's a discovery. Let's set registry. But here, oh, oops. Let's be clear here. So this script will take two values. This is the IP and then the registry. So we need to add the value of the registry. He said what is the registry associated with the nozzle? So the nozzle is the water. So try with 1 and then 4 and see which one will work. So let's say, what the hell? Set registry to value 1 and then 4. So Let's start with 2. We set it to 1. Let's restart this. Let's see what happens if I set this. Does anything because can we control the nozzle? We are not controlling nozzle because it's still working fine. So if we go to number 4 and let's restart this. Am I getting the I think I'm doing the wrong script. Hold on. Remove set registry, name set PY. I didn't copy it correctly, I think. I'm using the first script. I need to copy it. I don't think I copied it. So if we set number 2 to 1, there's nothing happen. Oh, let's wait. Let's see what happens if I restart it. So the idea, can I control the water? No. Wait, it is just blocked. Okay, it's moving. It stops, so it doesn't control the nose, but it stopped the. So 2 is more that the moving. It stopped the moving. Let's see the number 4 what it do. Huh. Is it freezing or I'm doing something wrong here? You see, we control the water. So we can control the water. Okay, so let's play with it. So 4 we can control the water. So that's number 4. Yeah, we can control the water here. That's an attack. So yeah, nice little trick. Okay, so one is so number 4 is with the nozzle. Value 1, open the nozzles. That was the correct things. So shutdown. Let's play around with all the scripts. So now attack shutdown. Where is that attack shutdown? Attack shutdown. Let's take that script. What would happen when we do the attack shutdown? I don't need attack shut.py. Paste to the keyboard. Python. Oh, I call it attack. The IP. .190.234. Now let's see what happens if I send that signal. What it should normally it should block it. It's working. Let me send. So the attack stop it. You can see it's stopping it. Okay, that's cool. So it stopped it. Then start the plant. Open the nozzle with the bottle while the bottle are moving. Attack move fill. Attack move. Attack move fill. Let's do this one. Attack move. So now we're moving. Vim attack move.py. Let me play with this one. Python at move 10.10.190.234. Let's restart this one. Attack moving, so the feet will be moved when things are. Let it move a little. Why is not moving? Is this script still doing something? Okay, let's stop it. Let's restart this one. what exactly is supposed to do this one? Start plant, open the nozzle while bottle are moving. Okay. Control C. Oh, script is working. You can see, but it was a delay. You see, it's filling the bottle, so the script was working. It just you can see the water is filling over. Okay, so we're done with this. Well, this connection issue in Tryhackme today. No, what's wrong? Start the plant, open the nozzle, and stop the rollout. So this one is attack stop fill. Attack stop fill. This is the script. Let's hammer it with this script. Let's commit 3.py. Don't need to make too much names here. So let's try copy, just insert, paste. I called it 3. Let's see what this script's supposed to do. We did this one. Start the plant, open the nozzle, and stop the rollout. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, now the nozzle is working, but the start plant and stop the rollout. But it's still rolling. I'm not sure about this script, to be honest. Then repeat the attack in question 1 abusing the sensor registry. We go in shutdown number 2. So this one. So let's kill that script. Let's go with for the py. Let's do that. Number 4. Let's restart this plant. What's the whisper attack question? Abuse the sensor registry. Number 4. Let's abuse. What happened when you do for it? Stop. Abusing sensor registries. Okay, it's stop. So this script is stopping it. Okay, that's cool. Then repeat attack in question 2 abusing the sensor registry again. What attack is this one? Attack move field number 2. Move field. This one. Let's attack that one. Let's stop this one. Let's use this one. Number 5. Let's do 5.py. No, let's not do the attack. Let's see what this attack will do. We're abusing the nozzle. You see the nozzle is filling over. So this one is controlling the water. So this one is there. Okay, we're done with this. We did this too. The last one is attack stop field 2. Attack stop field 2. Let's see this one. Number 6. And do that. Let's do another script. Let me restart this one. Let's do what number script is doing. 6. Let's what exactly is 6 supposed to do? 6 suppose abusing the sensor register. Let's see what happened here. Oh, that's one. Yes, falling. So number 6 now is doing this. Okay, thank you everybody. I hope you enjoyed this one. A good friend of mine asked me to do this video, so I will try to do the next one, number 2. Please like and share. Thank you very much. Have a blessing day. Now my computer is freezing.